We're about to graduate.
Yeah.
Christopher Holmes.
What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle.
Look at this graph.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
Do you ever like wake up or do something and you're just like, what the fuck is going on?
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
When there's too much drama at school, all you gotta do is walk away.
Let me hop out the Porsche, I don't wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
Yeah! That was legitness.
Yeah, it was, huh?
It was like something she said. I like that laugh.
You know when you and your friends take a picture, then you look at it and you're like, ugh, I don't look great in this. What's that like?
Alright, perfect. And are you part of our Super Saver Shoppers Club?
No, I'm not.
Oh.
Pronouns and things incorrectly. Cavassier Pharmaclock.
Cam, P-Bills.
Banut Mumma Nums. Monkey Necks. Beaver Age. Ruches and Combis. Rosasa.
It's gonna eat you. Oh my god, Sylvia. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Sylvia.
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.
Dad, look, it's the good Kush.
This is the dollar store. How good can it be?
Mom, I know you don't have a lot of money, so it's okay if you buy me Skechers for the new school year.
What are those?
I'm just extremely happy. Can you tell by my face?
All around me a familiar face.
This is amazing. First off, I have to thank God.
Word? Dude, I didn't really help you out at all, but I appreciate the shout out for sure.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
Oh my God!
Duke, do you want the ball?
I love you, bitch.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
We're breaking
We're
free.
Welcome to physics.
Holy mo- Have anybody ever tell you you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me. Hello?
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.